Alright, so this is the review for Chapter 6. First we start out with 700 pi, and we're asked to change this into, sorry, not 700 pi, this is 700 degrees. And we're asked to change this into radians. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by pi over 180. Now in my calculator, we're simply going to do 700 divided by 180. And when you get that answer as a fraction, the answer turns out to be 35 over 9. So my answer for this problem is 35 pi over 9. In problem number 2, they give us the answer in radians, and we're supposed to come up with it in degrees. So I'm going to do the multiply by the reciprocal, because 180 degrees equals 1 pi. And so when we do this, the pi's cancel out, and so I'm going to do 1/12 times 180. And since the answer was, it was actually negative 1/12 times 180, so I got negative 15 degrees. Alright, so in problem number 3, we're asked to find the area of a sector, and we're given the central angle of 66 degrees. And we should remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared. So in this case, we're going to do pi times 12.1 squared. Now, we're not doing the entire circle, so I'm going to do 66 degrees out of the full circle, which is 360 degrees. And the grand total turns out to be 84.3 square yards. For problem number 4, we're given 76.4 degrees. And I'm still going to divide that out of 360. But this time we are doing this with the arc length, which means 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. So we're going to multiply this by 2 times pi times 6. And that turns out to be 8.00, so we're just going to leave that rounded off to 8. Last problem, we got the same problem we did in number 3, except for this is in radians. And instead of 360 degrees, there are 2 pi radians in there. And we multiply this by pi times 2.6 squared. Well, the pi and the pi cancels, so we got 7 pi over 12 divided by 2 times 2.6 squared. And that gives me an area of 6.19 meters squared. And even though this is a short video, I'll do the next 5 on the next video.